Look at you struggling. This is so embarrassing for you.
Don't go out and petty.
Look at my giant camera.
Thank you.
Where are you going? I'm just filming you.
Don't show everyone's license plate.
Oh my gosh.
Don't touch my leg.
Wait, what the? Please take me off first. I don't like this place.
Love our outfits and stuff, but the other people that come here just stare at me weird. 2 times. I can't go to the bathroom right now.
Sam is ready to depart. Prepare yourself for quantum travel.
I want to go run away, but I'm scared to get kidnapped. I mean, who kidnaps you at this place?
Bro, you are probably the kidnapper. Yes.
This is so cool.
Wait,
It's
stand
very
there. Yes. Yes. Yes.
You don't mean it? I'm not gonna mean this.
Look, my toesies. Oh! There you go.
I'm awkward.
Favorite DJ night.
Are we allowed to show this stuff on camera?
That's you. That's literally you. That's
So many things.
yes.
Alright, I'm going up here.
Why are you going so fast? Why are you going so fast?
Because I have ADHD. Look at this.
I want to live in this. I want to live in this.
I was blinding myself.
Going.
Look at all this. This is so beautiful. It said film it.
Oh.
Grab away if you want to go in there. Somebody's stuck real.
That was so cute. That was so cute. Oh, that's so cute.
This thing makes better music than I do. Probably now.
Yo, it's so close to your face.
What?
It's so close to. It's like
Yeah, I
zoomed
know,
up.
right? I don't like stairs.
Oh! This is so weird. I'm like trying to watch my step, but it's hard with these boots on. I'm scared.
Oh.
You're like,
Don't film me.
what? No, not building them.
Following you.
I'll just
You're following me. You film me. Film me.
I am. Oh my gosh.
This is where I was invented.
That was me, sorry. Is this your house tour?
It's my house. It's my kid, guys.
Run. This creepy old people following us. Something's coming.
That's my crib, guys.
Oh, I can't even reach that when I'm like, you're right. Where are we going? Oh, look. It's really telling us to go in our house. I need to explain my house. This is so cool. Like, look at that. Yeah. That's a fortune teller. That's my fortune teller right there. Yeah. Look, it's our home. A dark alleyway. I need to pick it up right now.
To my home, a dark, scary alley.
That looked terrifying on camera, bro. That looked terrifying.
It is.
Oh, it does look terrifying on camera. It looks like the void.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta film me.
This is your family.
That's my dad.
Oh my god, what happened to your dad? So sad.
He was made that way.
Oh.
Disconnect to the next room. Who are these random people in the video?
What was that? This is so cool. Yes. We should totally clickbait this as we're being as we were followed.
Are we crawling there? Alright. Try not to get like slide down, like slide down. Get on your butt there. Yeah, like a slide down. Thing is, not as fun. Watch. It's still kind of fun though. Yeah. I think it's this way. I'm so awkward holding this. I've been holding it like this the whole time. My makeup is so messed up.
Gotta hold on to the
Slide.
pose. Okay, leave me alone.
School pictures be like,
Yeah. This is my favorite one. This is your home. Instead of like the aliens, put clowns.
yes. Why do you have to walk sideways? You're weird.
These are my Barbies.
I'm so amazed by it. I'm so amazed. Gosh, there's two of them. There's two of them.
Look at you. Ew. So gross. You look so nasty. I look fabulous. I remember this part. That's what I get for drinking stuff, for real. That's what I get, man. I just asked for that. Look at it, bro. It looks so bad. Candy. Candy. My brown eyebrows. Why are your eyebrows brown? They're supposed to be green. Yeah. Artificial. Artificial dye. I tried. Nice. You're covering the camera. Oh. What is that?